Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most powerful superfoods, Moringa, also known as the drumstick tree or the miracle tree. Native to regions in Asia, Africa, and South America, almost every part of the moringa tree, from its leaves to its seeds, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. In this video, we'll go through 20 science-backed health benefits of moringa, from its rich nutritional profile to its potential role in managing blood pressure, inflammation, and even cancer. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned until the end. You won't want to miss all the ways this plant might boost your health naturally. Let's get into it. 20. Fighting anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is one of the most common nutritional deficiencies worldwide. Moringa leaves are not only rich in iron but also contain vitamin C, which enhances iron absorption. In one small clinical trial, women with anemia who took 1,400 milligrams of moringa extract daily for 3 weeks showed marked improvements in hemoglobin and ferritin levels, two key indicators of iron status. This makes moringa a promising natural supplement for preventing and treating anemia, particularly in women and children. 19. Bone health. Osteoporosis and low bone density are major health concerns, especially among aging populations. Animal studies have shown that moringa leaf and seed extracts may help improve bone strength by enhancing calcium absorption and reducing bone loss. Its rich content of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin K makes it a powerful ally in supporting skeletal health. It may even help prevent fractures and maintain mobility in older adults. 18. Skin health. Topical application of moringa seed oil is gaining popularity in the skincare world, and for good reason. It's rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect the skin from environmental stressors. One small study found that using moringa seed cream improved skin hydration and barrier function without causing irritation. It may also help reduce acne, soothe eczema, and delay signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. If you're into natural skin care, moringa oil might be your new favorite beauty ingredient. 17. Anti-cancer properties. Moringa contains powerful compounds that may help fight cancer. In test tubes, moringa extract has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells from breast, colon, prostate, pancreatic, and lung cancers. This effect is believed to come from glucosinolates and niazimicin compounds that may help trigger cancer cell death while leaving healthy cells unharmed. These compounds may also prevent tumor growth and reduce metastasis. Although most studies are still preclinical, moringa could play a role in integrative cancer therapy in the future. 16th. Mental health support. Moringa has also gained interest for its potential in supporting mental well-being. In animal studies, moringa leaf extract demonstrated antidepressant-like effects, possibly by enhancing serotonin and dopamine levels, two neurotransmitters critical for mood regulation. Another study showed that moringa reduced anxiety in mice and enhanced the effects of diazepam, a common anti-anxiety medication. This could mean that moringa has natural compounds that mimic or boost the effects of pharmaceutical drugs used for anxiety and depression. 15. Asthma management. Respiratory issues like asthma can severely impact quality of life. Interestingly, one study involving human participants found that taking 3 grams of finely powdered moringa seed daily for 3 weeks led to significant improvements in lung function and reduced symptoms. The plant also has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce airway inflammation and improve airflow, making it easier to breathe. Moringa may also help reduce histamine levels, which contribute to allergic reactions and bronchial constriction. 14th. Kidney support. Kidney disease is often linked to high blood pressure, diabetes, and chronic inflammation. Moringa's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties could help protect kidney function by reducing oxidative stress and supporting detoxification. Moringa may help reduce levels of serum creatinine and urea, two important markers of kidney function. It may also help suppress inflammatory cytokines and increase the activity of antioxidant enzymes in the kidneys. This means moringa could play a supportive role in managing or preventing kidney disease, especially when used early in the progression. 13. Neuroprotection. Neuropathic pain and neurodegenerative disorders like multiple sclerosis and diabetic neuropathy are notoriously hard to treat. Moringa has shown promise in animal models as a neuroprotective agent. In one study, a topical cream made from moringa seeds significantly improved mobility and reduced pain in mice with nerve damage. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds in moringa are believed to protect nerve cells from further degeneration. Some early studies also suggest that it may aid in memory enhancement and cognitive support, thanks to compounds like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. 12th. Liver health. Your liver plays a central role in detoxifying your body, and moringa might help protect this vital organ. Studies have shown that extracts from moringa seeds can help reduce fat buildup in the liver and improve overall liver function, especially in cases of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. In one study, researchers administered gastrodigenin rhamnoparanicide, GR, a compound found in moringa, to mice on a high-fat diet. The results showed less liver inflammation, reduced serum fat levels, and decreased liver injury markers. 11. Gut health. Your gut health affects everything from immunity to mental clarity. Moringa leaves contain bioactive compounds like niaziridin, which may enhance the body's ability to absorb vitamins and minerals from food. This could be especially helpful for people suffering from malabsorption disorders or nutritional deficiencies. Additionally, moringa's natural antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties may help soothe the digestive tract and combat harmful gut bacteria. Some research suggests it might even improve the effectiveness of certain antibiotics, helping your gut recover faster after infection. Including moringa in your diet may support smoother digestion and better nutrient uptake, making it an easy win for gut health. 10. Eye health. Vision problems can be linked to nutrient deficiencies and chronic conditions like diabetes. Moringa's high concentration of vitamin A and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin make it an excellent candidate for supporting eye health. Moringa may help prevent cataract formation and protect retinal cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and high blood sugar. These properties make it potentially beneficial for individuals at risk of age-related eye diseases or diabetic retinopathy. 9. Cholesterol and weight management. Moringa has shown potential in lowering bad cholesterol LDL levels while raising good cholesterol HDL, which can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. In addition, moringa has been linked to reductions in body weight and BMI, particularly among overweight or obese individuals. While much of the evidence comes from animal studies, some human trials also suggest that moringa can aid in weight management. This makes moringa a promising natural aid for managing cholesterol levels and promoting healthy weight loss. 8. Heart protection. Moringa contains compounds like rhamnoparanicil vincosamide that offer potential cardioprotective effects. Research in animals has indicated that moringa may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in heart tissues, particularly when those tissues are damaged by medications such as doxorubicin. These findings suggest that moringa could play a role in protecting heart health, especially in individuals undergoing treatments that may put strain on their cardiovascular system. More research is needed to confirm these benefits in humans. 7. Blood pressure support. Both animal and human studies suggest that moringa leaves may have a beneficial effect on blood pressure by acting as a natural vasodilator. Moringa's ability to help widen blood vessels can lead to reduced blood pressure. In clinical trials, both systolic and diastolic blood pressure were lowered in individuals consuming moringa leaves. This makes moringa a promising natural remedy for individuals with high blood pressure, providing a natural alternative alongside prescribed medication for better heart health management. 6. Anti-inflammatory effects. Moringa leaf and seed extracts possess strong anti-inflammatory properties, which could be useful for managing chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis. The oil extract, in particular, has shown greater potency in reducing inflammation. In animal models, moringa's anti-inflammatory effects helped alleviate pain and swelling. 5. Antibacterial properties. Moringa leaf extract has demonstrated antibacterial effects against harmful pathogens, including Staphylococcus aureus and E. coli, in laboratory settings. These in vitro studies show that moringa can fight off harmful bacteria, making it a potential natural remedy for infections. 4. Reducing edema. Moringa oil has shown potential in reducing edema, or fluid retention, in animal models. Topical applications of moringa oil helped decrease swelling and inflammation, suggesting that it might be an effective natural treatment for fluid buildup. However, while these animal study results are promising, more research is required to confirm whether moringa oil has the same effect in humans. Still, moringa's anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable addition to natural treatments for managing swelling. 3. Wound healing. Moringa seed oil may enhance wound healing by increasing collagen production, an essential component of skin regeneration. Animal studies suggest that moringa oil can speed up recovery, particularly in diabetic mice, by promoting the growth of new tissue. The oil's high content of oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat, plays a significant role in boosting the healing process. 2. Blood sugar regulation. Moringa has shown potential in regulating blood sugar levels, particularly after meals. A small human study found that moringa leaf powder reduced post-meal blood sugar spikes by up to 40 milligrams per deciliter in diabetic participants. Though animal studies have shown similar benefits, more research is necessary to understand its full impact on human health. Still, moringa's blood sugar regulation properties make it a promising natural aid for managing diabetes when used as part of a balanced diet. 1. Nutritional powerhouse. Moringa leaves are a rich source of essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, calcium, potassium, iron, and protein. These nutrients contribute to the overall health of your immune system, bones, and skin. Fresh moringa leaves provide the most nutrients, but dried supplements, though still beneficial, may offer lower concentrations due to the processing involved. Incorporating moringa into your diet can help you meet daily nutritional needs in a natural and organic way. Side effects and warnings. While moringa is generally well tolerated, very high doses may lead to excess iron, causing stomach discomfort or worsening conditions like hemochromatosis. Experts recommend staying below 70 grams per day. Who should avoid moringa? Pregnant individuals, children, people on certain medications. If you're breastfeeding or managing a health condition, talk to your healthcare provider before adding moringa to your routine. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on health content like this. Comment below. Have you tried moringa before? What benefits did you notice? Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.